Hey, what's up guys, my name is Samat and you're watching Mr. Salesman. Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, this is the fourth video of the winter sale. So if you have watched my previous videos, you guys know the drill. You need to subscribe to my channel in order to avail the sale. But if you're new, let me just guide you. Okay, so I have made 3 videos on the winter sale catalogs. Basically, I'm putting out wallpapers on sale. The original price of these wallpapers are around 3,000, 4,000, but I'm putting it on a really reasonable cost. So if you wanna know my cost, my sale price, you need to watch my video till the end. Also, you need to subscribe to my channel. And you need to do it before the 31st December because this sale is only till 31st December. So that's how you can avail the sale, and there will be around 15 to 20 catalogs that I'll put on sale. Just subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon so you won't miss out any of the winter sale catalogs. So without wasting your time, अब सीधा बढ़ते हैं प्रोडक्ट की तरफ. So this is another premium catalog. As you guys can see, all of these designs are self-lectured and there are floral stripe designs, some geometrical as well, and some marble designs as well in the middle of this catalog. So if you like any of these designs, pause the video, take a screenshot of the specific one, whichever you want, and then send it on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number will be present on the screen and will be in the description box below. So one more time, I just want you guys to know that this wallpaper catalog is of 3,000 rupees per roll. But to know my wallpaper sale, my discounted rates, you need to watch my video till the end, and you also need to subscribe to my channel in order to avail the sale. As you can see, basically on the right side you can see the design, and on the left side you can see the plain self-textured design. So this is because you can apply this one on the main wall or the front and back wall, and this one on the other 2 walls or the other 3 walls, depending on your taste. These are the geometrical designs. The color contrast in these designs are really amazing. There's also a glittery effect in some of these designs, as you can see. The self-textured ones are also really amazing. As you can see, the depth of this design is really amazing. This is a premium quality product, so you'll miss out if you won't avail this sale. And trust me, in the future the rates are gonna increase. This Casper white, ice blue, and a black color. This is really amazing. Now we have the marble effect designs, as you can see in the display. It looks really good with the modern furniture. A roll covers 50 square foot area of a wall. So if you have a wall around 10 by 12 foot, you will need 3 rolls. If you're in Karachi, you can visit my shop, but if you're not in Karachi, you can do everything online. I'll send you my bank account details, and then you can pay online and select the rolls, and it will be delivered to your doorstep within 2 to 3 working days. So now we have the geometrical designs. As you can see, it has a 3D effect as well. There's a black color, black and white color. There's a beige and brown color, and a white and blue color. Now we also have the stripe designs with amazing color contrast. If you haven't seen my previous 3 videos on the winter sale, it will be linked in the description box below and will be in the I button on top. If you wanna know the sale price of this wallpaper, it will be at the end of this video. So yeah. We again have the marble effect, marble self-textured designs. With a glittery effect, we have the damask designs, as you can see in the display. and we have the plain one as well. You can apply these wallpapers in your bedrooms, on your bedroom walls, on your living room walls, your drawing room walls. You can also apply some of these wallpapers in your kids' room as well. Now these are the seashell designs, the 3D seashells. If you have seen seashells on the shores, on the ocean shores, then you would know this is a seashell wallpaper. It's a really interesting effect. It's a really interesting 3D effect. It looks well with your modern furniture. And we have some 3D designs as well. This is a really cool color contrast. And again we have the marble designs. Okay, so this is the last page and now I'm gonna tell you my sale price. So these were the 4th winter sale wallpaper designs. I hope you like these wallpaper designs. If you like any of them, you can take a screenshot of the specific one and send it on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number will be present over here and will be in the description box below. Okay, so the original price of this wallpaper catalog is 3000 rupees per roll. But if you subscribe to my channel, the sale rates for you guys will be 24.99 rupees per roll. But be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can send a screenshot of the subscribe button to my WhatsApp number and the roll that you like on my WhatsApp number. So yeah, this was the 4th winter sale video. If you want to see my previous videos, it will be linked in the I button on top and will be over here and over here for the next winter sale video.